way. Not because Mandarin is impossible, but because they're memorizing thousands of random words instead of learning how the language actually works. And here's the crazy part. You can start understanding basic Mandarin in weeks, even if you think you're bad at languages. Today, I'm going to show you the exact system that makes Mandarin easier, faster, and way less overwhelming. Most people quit Mandarin for 3 reasons. First, they try to learn everything at once. They download 5 apps, buy random textbooks, watch YouTube videos, and end up drowning in information. Second, they don't stay consistent. And honestly, that's usually not because they're lazy. It's because they don't have a clear system. When you can't track your progress, your motivation disappears. And third, people study Mandarin passively. They scroll through vocabulary lists but never build a real routine around speaking, listening, reading, and reviewing. That's exactly why I created my digital language learning planner on Beacons. It helps you organize your Mandarin goals, track vocabulary, build daily habits, and stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. You can plan your study sessions, track streaks, manage pronunciation practice, and actually see your improvement over time. Because language learning isn't about motivation. It's about systems. Here's the system I recommend if you want to learn Mandarin efficiently. Step 1. Learn Pinyin first. Before memorizing characters, master pronunciation. Pinyin is the pronunciation system that uses the alphabet to teach Mandarin sounds. And tones matter a lot. For example, ma means mother, ma means hemp, ma means horse, ma means scold. Same spelling, completely different meanings. So spend your first week focusing heavily on pronunciation and listening. Step 2. Learn high-frequency words. Don't start with advanced vocabulary. Learn the words native speakers use every single day. Words like hello, thank you, I like, and how much. If you learn the top 500 most common words, you can understand a surprising amount of basic conversation. Step 3. Practice speaking early. This is where most learners fail. They wait until they feel ready to speak. But speaking is how you become ready. You don't learn Mandarin by thinking about Mandarin. You learn by using it. So practice shadowing. Repeat after native speakers. Talk to language partners. Record yourself. Yes, it'll feel awkward. That's normal. Step 4. Immerse yourself daily. Even 20 minutes a day changes everything. Listen to Chinese music. Watch Mandarin content with subtitles. Change your phone language. Follow Mandarin creators online. The goal is to make Mandarin part of your daily life, not just something you study occasionally. And here's the twist nobody talks about. You do not need to be fluent to start enjoying Mandarin. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to know thousands of characters. The moment you can order food, understand a sentence, recognize lyrics in a song, or have a tiny conversation, you already unlocked a completely new world. And that feeling is what keeps you going. If you're serious about learning Mandarin, stop relying on motivation and build a system. My digital planner on Beacons is designed to help you stay organized, consistent, and actually make progress every week. So if you want to finally stick with Mandarin and stop feeling overwhelmed, check out the planner below. And if this video helped you, subscribe for more language learning strategies, productivity tips, and study systems. 加油, you got this.